The digital world is on the brink of a revolution. As quantum computing advances, the locks guarding our secrets are about to break. Every day, massive amounts of data traverse the globe: financial records, state secrets, personal communications. Traditional encryption relies on math problems that are hard for current computers to solve. But quantum computers? They'll solve them in seconds. Enter quantum cryptography. It's not just better math, it's physics. It uses the fundamental laws of nature to secure information. The core concept relies on observation. In the quantum world, the mere act of looking at information changes it. This means if a hacker tries to intercept the key, the system instantly detects the intrusion and shuts down the transfer. This isn't science fiction anymore. We are moving beyond theoretical discussions to tangible, real-world applications. In the financial sector, banks are already testing QKD links to secure high-value transactions against harvest-now, decrypt later attacks. Critical infrastructure is next. Securing the power grid and satellite communications ensures that our physical world remains safe from digital sabotage. But we can't replace every fiber optic cable overnight. This is where post-quantum cryptography, or PQC, comes in. PQC involves new algorithms designed to be resistant to quantum attacks, which can run on our existing hardware today. The immediate future is hybrid, combining classic security with quantum-resistant layers to bridge the gap during this transition. There are challenges, of course. Cost, distance limitations of quantum repeaters, and scalability are hurdles engineers are clearing right now. Innovations like satellite-based QKD are extending these secure networks across continents, creating a truly unhackable internet. Think about genomic data and personal health records. Quantum security ensures this sensitive information remains private forever. Organizations like NIST are currently finalizing the standards for these new algorithms, setting the stage for global adoption. Forward-thinking companies aren't waiting. They are auditing their cryptographic assets now to prepare for the migration. National security agencies are leading the charge, understanding that the first to master quantum security holds the strategic advantage. Eventually, this technology will trickle down to your smartphone, securing your chats, your wallet, and your digital identity. We are building the foundation of a new digital era, one where trust is guaranteed by the laws of physics, not just complexity. The quantum age brings unprecedented power, and with it, the responsibility to secure it. The transition has started. Is your digital infrastructure ready for the quantum leap? Music swells and fades.